Hey everybody, thanks for stopping back to Kreationz, and today we are going to change the map sensor on this Hyundai Tucson, and this is the 4-cylinder. I'm going to show you right where it is. If you look directly over, if you see this coolant hose, you look right here and that's your throttle body, and the one right next to it, right down there, let me get a better picture of it for you. So right here, this is called the map sensor, and it's right next to your throttle body. It's an electronic throttle body, so you don't want to mess with it, but you see that one bolt right there, the rusty one right here? That's a 10mm, and then there's the one clip right there where the sensor is. So you see there's the clip, you put your thumb on there and pull the clip out. You get the one 10mm bolt and you take that out, and you take this out of the manifold, so it's in this manifold piece, and this is what the sensor actually looks like. So there's where the one bolt goes in the hole, and then there's the sensor for the clip and this piece right here. So this is called the map. It's a manifold, that's this black piece, intake manifold pressure sensor. So it's this is not your your mass airflow sensor. The mass airflow is found before the throttle body. This is found after the throttle body. They have the same symptoms. Some cars might only have this and might not have a MAF. This does not have a mass airflow sensor, where the intake comes in air to go through the throttle body and in. It only has this one. So if you're having erratic idles, your car is shutting off, your car's not turning on, the battery, everything's good, you probably want to check this part or change this part. So I'm going to take the part out and compare it to the old one, and then we're going to put this part right back in and I'll show you. So this is the new one. You see how clean and nice it is? You can see the actual electrode, the sensor down in there. And this is the old one. It's got a lot of grease and nastiness on it. It's caked. You can't really see down in there. So we're going to change these out and see what happens. So this is your MAP sensor. Okay, I'm going to put it right back in. So we're just gonna connect it. You see the connection right there, the orange? We're gonna push it right down on that. And then you see right where it was, we're gonna put it right back in the same spot, right there. See where the hole is? Where the bolt goes? We're gonna put it right back right there. And there's the new one all clipped in. I just gotta put the bolt in and we're ready to go. Kind of a easy job, one bolt, one connection. It's a little hard to get your arms down in there. You might want to take off this coolant hose on top, but I just forced my hands in there and cut them all up. So that's how you change the map sensor on a Hyundai Tucson. Thanks for coming, subscribe, give me a like. So you can check out all our videos, and we're bringing out videos almost daily. We love you guys all. God bless. Peace out.